Welcome back to another episode. We will number them, but we still haven't done our intro. We're gonna do our intro. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for those who've been subscribing, those who've been watching. Lally 2 minutes, those who are sharing my content, those who are asking me and correcting me. I forgot the questions that I had, but yeah, please put the questions on the platform that you see them on, whether it's TikTok, at Organic Hottie. On Instagram, it's king_organic_hottie. King Organic Hottie. Alright, so those who know me personally can always chovicho gonna. But yeah, I hope Sisali is okay. Hey, before we start today's lesson, wow, what I learned about Thokoza, about hotel, yeah, like I think it's just revealing how when there's no love and light somewhere, there's just gonna be chaos. But yeah, what's about king? I think I'll only take the fraternity seriously the day more makubalo alona as panang komakhoing. But for now, let's have a makhoa, resa kawatana lebotaki. Hi, miss me. You know what? Also, this gatekeeping of information. This gatekeeping. Are we insane? You know? And I think everybody should just be a student of life. What about the way, but to educate and like, you know what? This is factual. It's the same principle as people saying that other book is the word of God. Come on. This is all word of man, and I think harkanta ego aside, we would have some direction. As Nduz people, as the Nile people, as you know, but however, hey, cut, yeah, but no, on a serious note though, this gatekeeping of information, thinking because you're the first one to share this, you don't want your students upgrading. Hey, sensei and teachers, aren't you happy when your students are learning, right? I think it misinformation, but yeah, like I always say, which is all gets right there, you know, because the conviction that everybody has, this is it. Yeah, and also how, hey, yeah, now I'm gonna take it seriously. I'm not saying hi to you, alright? Yeah, really victim. No, but the pride in that, if it's not gonna be for the benefit of black people, not witchcraft benefit and otherwise, hey, okay, grab a couple of chairs and sit. Throwback. Yeah, it is a throwback, so I can use that saying today. On the same note, what's it agona copyright, agona copyright, agona IP, right? And I don't know, I think we'll get into it some other day, that is your truth of different versions. Anyway, yeah, the human race, the people, yeah, it's quite comical here. So because you're the first one to share melanated issues, it does not mean that belongs to you. You cannot gatekeep melanin. You can't do that. You cannot gatekeep a greeting. You cannot gatekeep this was known because of you. Re tlo share content, re tlo discuss content, re tlo correctana mo re leng wrong, and re tlo bontshana. Alright, everything is a suggestion. Everything, spirituality, everything. There's no blanket approach when coming to spirituality. And this is so right, this is so wrong, this is. I get off so let us all use our art to navigate how we do this life thing. Yeah, your solar plexus, chakra hands, mameli dlozi, Thokoza gogo gang, intuition, the pit in your stomach thing. So that is your navigation system. The next person is gonna be judging me, miss me on that. But Bokobela, Bo teacher, sun size, whatever many names that you guys wanna be called by, be proud when your students are growing, you know. Be proud that you're not the only mouthpiece of content. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry for the disrespect, but I get it, does it work? Skakuma rating, we're sonke, ready in Mara Twarelo. No disrespect though, no disrespect. I know I'm laughing, but it's just insane. I think I've just been consuming content insane for the past couple of days, and yeah. But however, yeah, I try. I also really try, but hey, it's editing. So in advance, I'm not always gonna be love and light. And where I'm not right, guys, correct, please correct me. And yeah, I think there's something I'm picking up on previous content I shared. But however, let us embrace our new season until the next one. So yesterday, I think time is such an illusion to me nowadays. But yes, so thank you for those who've been subscribing, those who've been tuning in. Thank you. Anywho, let us get into today's lesson.